BNP Standing Committee member Dr. Abdul Moin Khan has claimed that not BNP, it is Awami League who snatched the country's democracy. He said this after visiting BNP's released Religious Affairs Secretary Rafiqul Islam Jamal in the capital's Uttara area. Moin Khan said that all the international popular media are also saying there is no democracy in the country. And Awami League is blaming BNP for this, for which it is not credible. The BNP leader said that government's statement about Cookie China is also ridiculous. How will BNP instigate Cookie Chin? How will BNP instigate Cookie Chin, and did BNP find Cookie Chin with binoculars in the mountains? This is the proof that the government has failed to run the country, added he.
1, 2, 3 ঢাকায় জমি জিতে নিন 100% ক্যাশব্যাক সহ 20 কোটি টাকার পুরস্কার।